Hey guys, Steve from Virgin Island Yacht Brokers here, and today I want to do a quick review of four catamarans that I think could be of interest to people. They're all under 41 foot, they're going to be in the $300,000 range, and they'll all be 2010 and later. So let's get right into it. To start off with, we have a 2014 Laari 41. She's currently listed at 340,000. She's got new motors with 400 hours, water maker, solar, lithium, new tender. I've seen this boat, it's very, very nice. Sold boat figures say she should sell at around 315,000, so it's priced quite well. Next, we got a 2012 Leopard 39 for sale at 329,000. She's a sought after 3-cabin version, lots of new sail inventory, 800 amps of lithium, 1800 watts of solar, 2 wind generators, a high field tender, lots of electronics on this boat. She's got 1,000 hours on the engines. Sold boat figures say she expects to sell around 300,000. The nice thing I like about this boat is she is ready to go. You could take your clothes and you can sail away in her. Number 3 is a 2010 Admiral 38 for sale at 225,000. She's a sought after 3-cabin version. These boats have quite a following. They're a solid blue water cruiser built in South Africa. She's got north sails, parasailer, water maker, solar. Sold boat figures say she should sell between 180 and 225, so she's well priced, and she's been on the market for 45 days. And number 1 is a 2015 Lagoon 400 S2, and that one's for sale at 325,000. So this is a 4-cabin version. It's fully loaded. It's got B&G electronics, generator, AC, water maker, 2,200 hours on the motors, solar. The reason I picked this number 1 is I really like these boats. I sailed one from France to Turkey once on a delivery. They sail really nicely. I think it's great value for money. Sold Boat says it should sell between 270 and 370, so quite a big variation in the cost of those. So at 325, I think she presents great value for money and is worth further inspection. So there you go, 4 catamarans that are for sale in the Caribbean right now. You could go out and purchase. All those boats are actually open for co-brokerage, which means I can help you get more information on those boats. You don't have to deal with the selling broker direct. So if you're interested in knowing more, send me a DM, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more boats for sale in the Caribbean or the East Coast of the US. Thanks for watching.